Hey guys, it's Amanda, also known as Amateur Aries, and we are doing a review today. I got an email to try something that I'm uber excited about. As you guys know, I wear contacts. If you didn't know, I wear contacts. Not right now. This is my normal eye shade. They are hazel, and usually they like to stay in the brown to like moss green type of tones. I wear blue contacts because I actually have a very hard time seeing, and I figured if I'm paying that much for contacts, I'm gonna pay for some colored ones I can use for makeup or cosplay, etc. So that is why I wear blue contacts. But I got in contact with a eye contact website, and they wanted me to try out one of their contacts, and they let me decide which one I wanted, and they asked me what eye prescription I had, which was what I was really surprised about, because I was not expecting them to ask that, because a lot of those websites don't care about your eye prescription, and so you just wear whatever they give you, and most times if you have bad vision, it stays bad vision. They arrived within about a week, which is pretty good from coming from China, and it does come from China, but they do care about your eyes. That's what they really wanted me to make sure I point out. And I haven't opened the box yet, so this is going to be exciting for all of us. Your website is ivandora.com. I will be putting it down in the description below, and right here maybe because I might forget, although this should be a reminder to myself. It's 50% off the site from the 7th of October to the 30th of November, so most of their contacts are 50% off. Which is awesome, since most of their contacts only cost about $39 as it is, so most of them are $19.50 to $19.99 right now. And they have a wide range of colors, from natural colors to cosplay colors to freaky colors and everything like that, so I suggest you go check it out if you are really into contact. However, I have not reviewed the contacts yet, so I might change my mind by the end of this video. But I have good faith in this, because when they were talking to me, they seemed like they really cared about their contacts and the people they're selling it to, so let's see. Now, the reason why I am barefaced for this video, you guys are probably wondering, like, why is she barefaced? She should be, like, promoting this in makeup or something. Let me just dye down this light a little bit. It is because I always put my contacts on before I put makeup on. The reason for that is my eyes have an issue about watering sometimes when I put contacts in. So I don't want them to ruin the makeup, and they have before when my eyes have watered. So I prefer not to wear makeup when I'm putting contacts in. I always put contacts in beforehand. And I usually give it about 30 minutes before I start putting makeup on to see where my eyes are going with the contacts that day. So let's open the box. They sent me this box. I don't know if this is a normal thing for them, if they just send boxes like this or if they just send the contacts. But they sent me a box with the website and the name of the company, Vandora. And I'm going to open it. I have opened it, but I haven't opened the contacts. I only opened it to see what was inside because I was very curious. I was like, will this even have the contacts inside? Because I was not expecting this big of a box. So inside there are little things inside. And I'm going to start pulling things out before we pull out the contacts. For one, there's a little squishy devil, which is awesome because, I don't know, my cat's interested. Does nothing. And then there's the contacts. It says water content 38% thickness 0.004 millimeters, base curve 8.6 millimeters, diameter 14 millimeters to 14.5 millimeters, structure model 2 hema EGDMA. So I don't know what any of that means. So it says 2 pieces. I'm not going to open it up yet. Then they give you this. I don't know if you can see very well. And I'm not entirely sure what this is. I'm not sure if it's stuff for your lips or stuff to play with. It doesn't have a doesn't have a paper inside explaining these items, so I really don't know what this is. So I'm not gonna put it on my face. I'm not gonna even give it to my niece, because this is something I would normally, like, if I knew what it was, I would give it to my niece, because it's all glittery and stuff and pink, and she's really into makeup now, and she's only 8. So it's like I usually give her stuff that's like that. Happy Smile hand mirror with Vandora's company name on it and ivandora.com on it. On the back are little cute little pictures. Hopefully you can see those. Every time I film it, you can't see it, but whenever I edit it, you can see it clearly. So I never really know. So let's open it. See how good the mirror is. Okay. The mirror is slightly scratched, but that's okay. You can't really see it. It's very tiny. Well, that's not a scratch. That was glue. Never mind. It wasn't scratch. It was glue. Now I have a hand mirror. And lastly, I can get it out. It says, "Especially for you to see a world in a grain of sand and a heaven in a wildflower." Is a flower. I don't know what kind of flower it is. It doesn't tell you what kind of flower it is, unless if it's literally a wildflower. But it's like a dried flower, which is actually really cute. I wouldn't mind putting this maybe in a frame, a small frame, because it's a pretty flower. Why not, you know? So that's all that's in the box. I was really surprised that I got, like I said, I got this box at all, because I was just expecting the eye contacts. They never mentioned anything else. So I don't know if this is a normal thing for them, if they send you this box. I haven't purchased from them. This is a collaboration. I got this stuff for free to try and to review and to talk to you guys about it. Let's open the box of contacts and get to the main review. Just gonna put everything back in here. Never mind, that devil's all the way across. Oh, Barbosa's playing with it. He was. There he goes. He normally doesn't play with toys. So I'm excited to see that. Alright, so it says soft hydrophilic contact lenses on the front, along with the company name, like I said before. Let's open it. Inside, ooh, did they give me? They did. I was so worried about this, cause I got this box about a week and a half ago, and I was waiting for them to get back in contact with me after telling them that I have received their product, because sometimes they like to tell you what coupon codes that I have, which I do have a coupon code. It is Amateur Aries. I do not know how much it's taken off right now. So they give you the eye contact. I don't remember the name of the thing that you put the contacts in afterwards, but I only have one, and I kept forgetting to go buy another one for this video. So I'm so happy they provided this. I don't know if this is normally what they provide for you guys, but I'm happy about it. And they give you like these mini tweezers, which I think you can use to put the contacts in, which I don't use. And then the contact thing, which has a L and R on it, so you know which one is which. And they also have one of those things I usually see everyone else use, where you stick it into the middle of the contact and you stick it into your eye, like that. I don't use these, I just use my fingers. So that's cool that I have the tools right now, because I'm going to keep those just in case. So, and then it comes with the 2 boxes like this. Now, I did tell them my eye prescription, -0.100, and it comes with the contact inside. I got a blue color, obviously. It looks pretty clear through, so I wonder how much it's going to cover my dark brown eyes. And then there's this one. Now, it doesn't say on the actual thing left or right. So make sure you know which eye is which before you put this in, because you can really mess up your eye and your vision if you put the wrong one in the wrong one. This one says, it says period of 12 months, which is fantastic, because in the ones I wear it says period of 6 months, although I make them last. They're lasting for 2 years now. And this one says negative 0.125. So yes, that's this one. So let's put them in. Anyone who is squeamish about this stuff, I suggest you maybe check out a different video of mine, or just skip parts of this video. So let's get to putting it on. I would suggest washing your hands before doing this. My eyes are super dry, so they probably will get a little irritated at first, if not water a lot. Alright, I'm just gonna put my hand behind my ear, fix my hair. Alright, I'm gonna take off my rings because the water usually makes them slick. Okay, and it seems very flexible. Sorry, I'm not showing this to you. I usually just do this so the extra water comes off, and then I put it on the finger, and then I stick it in the eye. And it doesn't want to go in the eye. So we wipe off the finger, and we try it again. And then I do this. Ta-da! Wow, that made it really blue. Oh, my eye. It's like, hi, there's some moisture on me now. Now I have to like blink a lot. It covers it pretty good. I mean, it's lighter than I was expecting it to be, which is fine, because I would like to have a lighter blue. I still have to go get more contacts because mine are getting old, but it costs quite a bit of money right now. So this, I'm looking around, I'm testing the vision. I'm able to see my TV screen. I'm able to see the books over there, and this is all good, by the way. I normally can't see that far. So far, so good. Let's try out the other one. Oh. I gotta get adjusted. Both my eyes were super dry this morning, so allergies. Looks pretty good. They're not watering as much as I thought they would. It's a nice blue. I like it a lot. Let me pull you guys closer so you can see. Well, wrong one. You can kind of still see the brown in this one and this one, but it kind of gives it like a depth to it. So I kind of like it. I was not expecting it. Excuse this eye. My eye's been twitching ever since I've been on this new medication. So I got to tell my psychiatrist about that. So just ignore that eye, cause it's just having some personal issues. But I like the colors a lot. I'm definitely gonna have to think about purchasing more. $19.50 and $19.99 is not that expensive at all for contacts. So I'm very excited about it. Let me just pull you guys back again. So I like them a lot. Like, I'm really surprised about them. I'm definitely gonna purchase from them. These are very nice on my eyes. They're not watering, but like the top of my eye is. Gonna dry that off before I start putting makeup on. They are comfortable. I can see through them. Like, I can see out there perfectly. It's pretty sharp. It's actually, I'll tell you what. Let me look at my phone screen. It's very clear for me. And the reason why I bring this up is because my contacts are getting old and my prescription is turning to a different prescription pretty soon. Like, pretty sure this is probably a -1 now. So, and usually now, things up close are very blurry for me. So this is actually still sharp. I don't have any problems looking through this. I might start wearing these contacts from now on. Or I'm going to start purchasing them from online. I might start doing that. So I'm so excited for this. I was not expecting this end result. So thank you for watching. I definitely suggest you, if you want to get into contacts, to go to Vandora.com. That could be just a regular I, and sometimes they spell it as EYE Vandora.com, but like I said, I'm gonna put it down in the description below, and you can check it out for yourself. There's a lot of variety of colors on there, and I'm super excited because I'm gonna grab a couple myself now, especially since it's so cheap. I'm not gonna even pass that up, especially since it's till November 30th. Sorry, I'm sick, so I'm enjoying the coffee while I can. So yes, I'm super excited about this. You're going to be seeing me in makeup in just a second. So, yes. And I am back, and this is what the contacts look with makeup on. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I hope you guys try out this company, because I know I'm going to continue buying from them from now on, because now I don't have to pay almost $200 for contacts, which is phenomenal to me. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Like, comment, and subscribe. If you'd like to see more makeup and mental health videos, keep on watching.